Those are things that we struggle with. And now there's this bishop who sits down to make fuss, to make fun of exactly what this girl is struggling with. Can you imagine the level of idiocy some of us are having in these social media streets? Like, you sit down and you try to body shame someone and you have no shame, like you don't care about how they feel. You sit down to body shame someone at this day and age and you think it's all right. A whole self-styled bishop who think, you know, there are people who climbed the ladder, or God helped to climb the ladder. But once they open their mouths, you just know they are fools. You know, a fool exposing himself, the level of illiteracy, the level of arrogance and pride. And let me tell you, when the glory will be taken, there are people here who will be ashamed. We have been watching them. We have been watching the level of arrogance, that they can only give you dignity depending on the amount of money you place on the table. We have been watching the level of arrogance, that they can only give you dignity depending on the amount of money you place on the table. Now, somebody's daughter is crying on social media because you have hurt them deeply. You wake up to make them feel bad. And if beauty comes with size, like slender people are the beautiful ones, then very many people are ugly, according to this bishop. And it's a high time this bishop tames his mouth. It is a high time he zips up. Otherwise, he continues to expose his small brain. Because I'll call it small brain. The level of arrogance, the level of pride. Like, you sit here and body shame someone. Doesn't matter whether it's a man or a woman. I say it is wrong. It is very wrong, and I'm very ashamed. And I want to talk to this girl. Pretty. You are as pretty as your name suggests.